Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to download FxSound. But first guys, if you want, you can go down on this video in the comment section and click on the first comment that I pinned. This will bring you to my Fiverr, and here you can get a YouTube logo and banner or a modern minimalist YouTube logo and banner for your YouTube channel. But now back to the video. So I'm going to jump right in here. I'm going to type FxSound. As you can see, I want to go to the first one right here, so the FxSound.com. That is going to be the official site. And here, as you can see on the homepage, you have the download button ready. And so if you click on it, it's actually going to give you 3 options. So the latest versions, beta versions and old versions. Now, of course, the old version is going to give the older ones. The beta is going to give you newer ones, but that can be quite unstable. So if you want beta version, keep in mind it can be quite unstable. But I'm going to go, of course, here for the latest version. Now do make sure that in most cases, you want to choose the Intel/AMD here, not the ARM. ARM is only for specific devices, some smaller devices as well. They specifically have components for that, because the ARM is something you can find back in phones and tablets as well. So it's definitely not for the average computer. Now what you can do then is just click here or this one. Either one works. And here, as you can see in the upper right corner, it starts downloading. And when it's done, we have the FxSound setup. We can just go ahead and do show in folder, or you can immediately launch it by opening it. But I'll first go in show in folder, and it should go in your downloads. Now by simply clicking it, you can minimize this. Now the actual time it takes to install it is actually quite quick. So here, as you can see, it's already open. And also created this desktop shortcut here. What you can also do is right click here, go to show more options. You can pin it to start. Now it's already pinned, as you can see, because it says unpin from start. So you can pin it. And you can also pin it to the taskbar so that you have it down here. Now do keep in mind, when you use FxSound, it's actually going to be minimalized most of the time as a little icon here. So here's of course the FxSound one. So if you can't find it anywhere or don't know how to open it, make sure you look. This little arrow here and to the little icons, it should be here. Then you just click on it to open it again. It's in the system tray basically. So that's in case you had a hard time finding it. You can of course also go ahead in search and tap FxSound right here if you want to find the app. Now if you really can't find it, maybe restart your computer first, just in case. And then once again you go in search and type FxSound. But in most cases you probably won't need to. Now in my next video, I actually go ahead and show you how to use FxSound. So all of the features that are right here, all the presets, how to actually work the EQ. So if you're interested in that, make sure to check that one out. It's up in the right corner here, so that you can get started with FxSound as soon as possible. In any case guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you like, it would be really nice. Subscribe, it also really nice. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.